In today's video, I will be compounding from $10 to $100 and will tell you how to compound by analyzing the full risk market well. This is just to show you. You don't have to try it at all, and you have to analyze the market well. See, an experienced trader can easily take a big risk, but those who are new traders should not take such a big risk because they are still in the learning phase. Here, I have placed a down direction trade. I am using the moving average indicator. This market is reversing from a resistance level and moving down. According to my analysis, I have placed the trade. The market is driven by the volume and the fight between buyers and sellers. So you have to understand the psychology of candles, the volume and pressure of the market. So for a trade, you have to see many things. Even then, you can take a good trade. When the market reverses, sellers have more control. Our trade has been won, and I know that the market will go down from here. So I will take the next trade in the next candle. And here I have listed the retrade. Now this trade of mine will close with the time of this candle. That is why I recommend it in time, and I myself also use time because my analysis is with the time frame of the candles. And you can see that our trade is won in the best way. I am using the full amount in these trades. As I told you, I am compounding from $10. We will wait a little for the next trade, and you also have to look at the market levels to see where the market can reverse. And where the buyers are sitting in a strong position. Here you can see that the buyers closed the candles in green because the market retested this zone twice. And then went into an uptrend from here. So here we have to wait a little for the next trade because the market has reversed from here. And the buyers have taken an entry. So we have to wait a little, and after this candle, I have to place a trade on the next one. And here I have placed a trade in the down direction. The reason for the trade is simple, that the buyers have taken an entry, and a green candle has been formed with a gap up which has no wick. And this candle shows that the buyers have shown their full strength in this candle. and the sellers have immediately taken control in the next candle. Therefore, I have taken this trade, and this trade will definitely be a win. You have to wait for a good opportunity. Until you find a good opportunity, keep analyzing and stay focused on market. This has become our trade one in the best way. We had to wait a lot for the next trade, and finally, now we have found the trade, so this will be my last trade, and thus my compounding will be complete. The market has broken the level, and on this, I have placed a trade in the down direction. According to my analysis, this trade will be won, and this candle has to be red because first, the market has retested this level, then it has broken down, and after that, this candle has formed. So there are very few chances of this candle becoming green. Maybe buyers will come in the next candles, but it has to close green. And you can see our trade has been won, and our compounding has been completed as I said. I hope you liked this video. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, then you can ask in the comments. We attention traders, an exciting binary trading tournament is here, only on Tradecraft Academy. Are you ready to turn $10 into $100 and test your trading skills with real competition? This is your chance to join a thrilling trading challenge designed especially for beginners. Whether you're just starting out or looking to prove your skills, this is your time. Here's how to join. Create a new account using the special link I've provided. Deposit just $10 into your account. Send me your trader ID right after registration. I'll add you to the exclusive tournament channel on Telegram. You'll receive a complete rulebook for money management and risk control. Just follow the strategy, stay consistent, and trade smart. And guess what? At the end of the tournament, there's a special surprise waiting for one lucky participant. It could be you. So don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to level up your trading and maybe win more than you expect. Link is in the description. Let's go from $10 to $100 together. See you in the tournament.